Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe. Stay home. Okay, children. Now, in previous classes, we learned Varnamala and Matraye. Symbols we learn now. Now, see, I am going to explain Barakadi. That letters after compulsory we have to learn symbols. Those symbols only helping us to write the Barakadi. Barakadi is helping us to read a letter. Read a word, sorry. Read a word or a sentence. This Barakadi is going to help us. Okay, children? Let us write the Barakadi. Now see, always you must have to starting new page. Open your classwork. First you can see your Varnamala, 2 pages, and symbols with 2 pages. If it is coming in this 1 page, then it is okay. Then if you written in another page, what you have to do? You must have to start from next page, new page. Understand? If you written here, then you have to leave this one. Don't write here. Start from here. Okay, children? Right side of the notes. Now, take your pen. Take out your pen. Now, first write heading. What is that? Barakadi. Barakadi. Now see, Barakadi. Barakadi is we are writing with, we are using Barakadi from Ka to Ha only. Okay, we are using Ka to Ha letters to write Barakadi. Okay, children. First it is Ka. Like Telugu, same. Talakattu Dirgham after we are starting Gunintalu from Ka to Bandirana. Same like that. We are using Ka. Starting letter it is Ka. Ka Barakadi. After writing this Barakadi heading, what you have to do? You have to leave a line. Compulsory you have to leave a line and write here. What is the pronunciation of a letter and a symbol? Both we have to say no. Then I am going to give oral practice of this one also. Okay, children? Now first what is that? Ka. What is the letter? Which letter, which Barakadi you are writing, you have to write that letter only. Particular with that letter we have to add symbols. Okay, children? Ka. Ka after what you have to do? You have to give little gap. Means at least finger gap you have to give and write very neatly. Ka. Ka. A ki matra ka. See, they are going to symbols. If we are seeing the symbols, A did not have any matra, no, that's why we written Ka. Compulsory. After that, Ka after what is that? A after what is the symbol? A ki matra. Ka, A ki matra, Ka. In previous classes, Has swar and Dirgha swar, I told you no, short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels for 1 second and long vowels for 4 seconds, I told you no. Now see here, that short vowels for 1 second. This is Ka, Ka plus A, Ka. Ka plus A, this is long vowel, Ka. Now up to 4 seconds you have to say Ka and A sound. Ka. What is that? Ka. Now next after that give finger gap and write Ka again. Ka. How we given choti e ki matra? Left side of the letter. Every time this is your e ki matra na? Choti e ki matra. Left side of the letter. Always it is coming left side of the letter. Choti e ki matra. Ka choti e ki matra ki. Why we are saying ki? Why? Because choti e. How many seconds? Short vowel 1 second. That's why you have to say ki. Ka choti e ki matra ki. Okay. Then next give finger gap. Again write Ka. Then if the choti e ki matra is left side, badi e ki matra is right side. Okay, badi ki matra you have to write right side. Ka, badi ki matra ki. Why I am saying ki? For 4 seconds you have to say. Why? Because long vowel here it is there. E. E is long vowel for 4 seconds. Ki. Ka and E. Ki. The next. Give finger gap. Then ka and u. See here how I am touching. Where I am touching the symbol, you must have to touch the symbol properly and write properly. Okay children, give finger gap. Then ka afterwards you have to give u. Chota u. Ka chota u की मात्रा. का छोटी u की मात्रा. ku. Long short vowel. u. U symbol. Ka and u. Ku. The next ka. U after what is that? Next u की मात्रा after u की मात्रा. बड़ा u की मात्रा. Okay. का second u की मात्रा. If it is not coming in Hindi, you can say in English also. Like का first e की मात्रा की. का second e की मात्रा की. का first u की मात्रा ku. का second u की मात्रा ku. Okay children. The next. If it is visible here, you can write here. Then if you are having the place, you can write here. Ka ru की मात्रा kru. Ka and ru sound. Ka and u sound ku. No, this is long vowel. Ka and ru short vowel. Now up to here short vowels are completed. What you have to say? Ka and ru. Kru. Both sounds you have to mix and say kru. Kru. Then leave a line and write here. Ka ye की मात्रा. का which मात्रा? ए की मात्रा. रू after what is the letter? ये. ये की मात्रा. See, ये की मात्रा I am written in symbols upside, no, outside of the line. Na, now see here. का ए की मात्रा. के. Now here everything was long vowels. Now के. What you have to say? का ए की मात्रा के. Okay. Then next for 4 seconds you have to say. Then give finger gap and write here. Ka I की मात्रा kai. Ka and I. Kai. Ka A की मात्रा after. Ka I की मात्रा kai. Then next. ये after O. O. Ka O की मात्रा को. The next. का औ की मात्रा कऊ. का औ की मात्रा कऊ. The next. का अम की मात्रा कम. These are anuswar, na? I told you in class. Anuswars these are. Where का अम की मात्रा. अम की मात्रा and aha की मात्रा. Up to here only Swarakshar letters. Now here these are all long vowels. का ये की मात्रा के. का आई की मात्रा काई. का and आई काई. का and ओ की मात्रा को. ओ का ओ को. का and औ की मात्रा. का and औ कऊ. का औ कऊ. का and अम की मात्रा कम. का and aha की मात्रा कहा. Okay children, after this you have to take small copy. Small copy you have to take out your small copy and pencil. Mention day and date. Today's day and date. See, 10. You have to write the left side of the page. See, I am giving only some letters to write the copy. Okay children. After this you have so many lines. After this you have so many lines. I am explaining only one barakadi. In next class I will explain more. We will continue that. Don't write anything. Don't think that this much only. Okay children. Now you have to take small copy. Right side you completed now. Now left side of the page you have to take it. Now here I am drawing the line. Just I am showing in previous class already I shown how you have to write the small copy. Okay. Now see Simply I am drawing the lines and I will show some lines. Now today was we finished up to a, e, e. No? Now u, ru, a. Okay? U. With pencil, you have to use pencil to write this. To get your handwriting very neatly. Understand, children? Yay. Okay? U, ru, a. These four. Continue this page. Okay, children? Now take out your diary. Coming to diary work, you have to write always. You have to write always day and date. Mention day and date. See, after the Telugu line, next it is a Hindi. Now there you have to write. Read and practice. Read and practice. Barakhadi ka. Understand, children? Read and practice Barakhadi ka. Then after writing this, what you have to do? You must have to post to your class teacher group. Okay? Then only you will get the attendance. Otherwise not. You have to write very neatly and send to your class teacher group, concerned class teacher group. Thank you, children.